Sex addiction is a serious issue that affects many people. It is also called compulsive sexual behavior. People with sex addiction have intense, uncontrollable urges to engage in sexual activities. They feel a powerful need for sex, even if it harms themselves or others. This addiction can be confusing and isolating. One common misconception is that sex addiction is just about having a high sex drive. This is not true. Sex addiction is different from having a healthy sex life. It is characterized by out-of-control behaviors that cause distress and interfere with daily life. People with sex addiction often feel ashamed and try to hide their problem. They may engage in risky sexual behaviors, putting themselves at risk of sexually transmitted infections or unwanted pregnancies. The consequences of untreated sex addiction can be devastating, affecting relationships, careers, and overall well-being. It's important to remember that sex addiction is treatable. With professional help and support, individuals can overcome their addiction and live healthier, fulfilling lives. Sex addiction often manifests in a variety of ways. Recognizing the signs is crucial in seeking timely intervention. One of the hallmarks of this condition is an obsessive preoccupation with sexual thoughts and fantasies. Individuals may find themselves consumed by these thoughts, unable to focus on other aspects of their lives. Another common sign is engaging in risky sexual behaviors, often involving multiple partners or strangers. This reckless pursuit of gratification can have severe consequences, both physically and emotionally. The compulsive nature of sex addiction drives individuals to seek sexual experiences despite negative consequences. They may continue engaging in harmful behaviors even when they recognize the damage it causes. This loss of control is a significant indicator of addiction. The shame and secrecy surrounding sex addiction often lead individuals to isolate themselves from loved ones. Withdrawal from social activities and a decline in personal hygiene can also be warning signs. If you or someone you know exhibits these signs, it is crucial to seek professional help. Sex addiction takes a devastating toll on mental health. Living with this secret often leads to feelings of shame, guilt, and worthlessness. Individuals may experience anxiety, depression, and even suicidal thoughts. The constant struggle with compulsive behaviors can erode self-esteem and create a sense of hopelessness. Relationships also suffer greatly from the impact of sex addiction. The betrayal of trust and the emotional distance created by secrecy can shatter intimacy. Partners of individuals with sex addiction often experience feelings of anger, hurt, and betrayal. The lies, manipulation, and broken promises associated with the addiction can lead to relationship breakdowns and divorce. It's important to note that sex addiction not only affects romantic relationships but also family ties and friendships. The ripple effects of this condition can be far-reaching, impacting everyone connected to the individual struggling with addiction. Section 4. Seeking support, a journey towards healing. Breaking free from the grip of sex addiction requires courage and a commitment to change. The first step towards recovery is acknowledging the problem and seeking help. This can be a daunting task, but it is essential for recovery. Professional therapists specializing in addiction can provide guidance, support, and a safe space to explore the underlying causes of the addiction. Support groups, such as Sex Addicts Anonymous, offer a lifeline for individuals seeking recovery. These groups provide a sense of community and understanding, allowing individuals to share their experiences and draw strength from others who have faced similar challenges. Group therapy can also be beneficial, providing a structured environment for individuals to process their emotions and develop coping mechanisms. It's important to remember that recovery is a process, not a destination. There will be setbacks along the way, but with the right support system, individuals can navigate these challenges and continue on the path to healing. Section 5. Navigating recovery tools and strategies for lasting change. Recovering from sex addiction is an ongoing journey that requires dedication, patience, and a toolbox of effective strategies. Therapy plays a crucial role in this process, helping individuals identify and address the underlying issues driving their addictive behaviors. Cognitive behavioral therapy is particularly effective in challenging negative thought patterns and developing healthier coping mechanisms. In addition to therapy, individuals in recovery often find solace and support in 12-step programs like Sex Addicts Anonymous. These programs provide a structured framework for recovery, emphasizing accountability, spirituality, and connection with others who understand the challenges of addiction. Establishing a strong support network is vital for maintaining sobriety. This may involve trusted friends, family members, or sponsors from 12-step programs who can offer encouragement and guidance during difficult times. It's essential to create a relapse prevention plan, identifying triggers and developing strategies to cope with cravings and urges. Section 6. Rebuilding intimacy, fostering healthy relationships after sex addiction. Rebuilding trust and intimacy. After sex addiction is a delicate and gradual process. Open and honest communication is paramount. Partners need to create a safe space to express their feelings and work together to rebuild trust. This requires patience, empathy, and a willingness to forgive. Couples therapy can be instrumental in navigating the complexities of rebuilding intimacy after addiction. A skilled therapist can help partners communicate effectively, address past hurts, and develop healthy patterns of interaction. It's essential to establish clear boundaries and expectations to ensure that both partners feel safe and respected. Rebuilding intimacy takes time and effort from both partners. It's important to celebrate small victories and focus on the positive changes that are being made. Remember that healing is possible with commitment, understanding, and a shared desire to create a healthier future. Section 7. Hope and healing, embracing a brighter future. Recovering from sex addiction is a challenging but ultimately rewarding journey. It is possible to break free from the grip of addiction and live a fulfilling life filled with healthy relationships and emotional well-being. Remember that you are not alone in this struggle. Many resources and support systems are available to help you on your path to recovery. With commitment, perseverance, and the right support, you can overcome the challenges of sex addiction and create a brighter future for yourself. Recovery is an ongoing process and setbacks may occur along the way. However, it's essential to view these setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. By embracing the principles of recovery and reaching out for support when needed, you can navigate the challenges of addiction and live a life filled with hope, healing, and healthy connections. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.